Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Epidemic soundtracks into Final Cut Pro. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Epidemic Sound website. Log in to your Epidemic Sound account. Once you're logged in, browse or search for the track you wish to download. When you find the track, click on it to view its details. You will see a download button next to the track. Click the download button to save the track to your computer. Select a location on your computer where you want to store the file. Now, open Final Cut Pro. In Final Cut Pro, create a new project or open an existing one. Locate the area in the timeline where you want to add the music. Navigate to the event library in the upper left corner of the window. Right-click in the event library and choose Import Media. Find the track you just downloaded from Epidemic Sound. Select the file and click the Import Selected button. The track will now appear in your event library. Drag the track from the event library to your timeline. Adjust the track's placement to fit your video as needed. You can also trim the track to match the length of your video. Finally, play back your project to ensure the audio fits well. You have successfully downloaded and added an Epidemic soundtrack to Final Cut Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.